We had so many different VCs, seed funds, in some cases even private equity guys here. So what happens when a startup tries to try to raise some money? Usually it's very expensive in the sense that you're giving away equity, and that's quite expensive, isn't it? Obviously it's risky, but at the same time you're giving away your company. So what happens when you actually grow to that stage where you want to, you want to expand your business, you need some funding, you need some financing. That's where you need a bank. And as I mentioned before, like your lawyer could be one of best friends, but banker will be your best friend as well, since these are the guys who are going to manage your finance. So I want to introduce you to Edvardas. He's from one of the biggest banks in Lithuania, from DNB, and he's going to give you a presentation how to expand your business.
Hello, my name is Edvardas. I am head of Vilnius Business Region of DNB Bankas, and I am very pleased to be here. Why? Because of two reasons. First of all, business. Second, personal. Why personal? Because on daily basis we are getting a lot of bad things. We are facing crime, unemployment, collapse of euro. But here I feel very positive energy, especially when we are sharing ideas, when we are talking, when we are creating plans. If we back to business reason, and actually for us it's very important to establish our relation with customers at the very beginning. Why it's very important? Because we can share our experience, we can discuss, we can create our plans for future. Actually, today my presentation is related with these things, which is related with cooperation between bank and startups with newly established companies. Because of I am representing DNB, I would like to say something about our bank, about DNB. As you know, it is the largest bank in Norway. In Lithuanian language, it is didžiausias Norvegiškas bankas. And also, we are one of the largest banks in Scandinavia. DNB is quite significant player in Europe and global market in energy, seafood, and shipping financing. And also, I would like to mention about recently we have got some news from one survey, and DNB was ranked like on the list of 50 safest bank in the world. But who care about world? We are in Lithuania, and then we will talk. Let's talk about Lithuania. And here we are also leaders. And actually, how I can prove this my words? And because 30% of new startups choose DNB like main bank, like home bank, which is providing some banking service, which is providing some consultants, and which is sharing his experience. I am very happy because around of me there are a lot of creative people. And why creative? Because all of you has a lot of ideas, and you have ability to develop these ideas. You are growing to blue chip companies, but unfortunately, not all succeed. Approximately 30% of new established companies after first year is suspending his activity. So let's learn. Let's discuss about it. And actually, I would like to ask audience, who own startup, new established company? Please raise hands. Oh, a lot of things. Who has idea how it should be going, and who has an idea to develop your company as well? And who would like to share your idea with us?
Hi, it's here.
And I would like to invite you.
Should I come? And Claudio.
Hi, Edvardas. Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you. Malono.
Yeah. And actually, could you present for us your idea?
Yes, we are a language learning platform. It's called Blue Blue, and we just established our company here in Lithuania. And the way we do it, it's in a non-traditional way. We don't teach like with lessons. We use real content from the internet, and we just expose you to the real Lithuanian from the news, from YouTube, so you can learn like the real language and not the school language.
Okay, and I heard like Lithuanian market is too small.
Yeah, it's definitely too small. That's why we have now 25 languages, and we have already clients like around the world. So like we're not many yet, we're small, but we have clients.
Okay.
Like we're global, wannabe global company.
How about competitions?
But the competition is tough. I mean, the market is big. It's a $60 billion market.
Okay.
And the competition, there are some big players on the market, but not all of them, they found a successful model. So we believe we could have a successful model to get a share of this market.
Excellent. And how about financial side of your business? And do you have budget plans?
Yeah, now we
forecasts?
have a plan for 10, 12 months, like to pay all the salaries and a little bit of marketing. And of course, you know, if we're successful and we grow fast, we will go for a round of investment. And our office is close to your bank, so we,
Excellent.
you know, we will come and knock the door.
Excellent. Thank you. You have great idea. And
Thank you.
please applause for new Bill Gates or Steve Jobs.
Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs. Thank you very much.
And actually, we had discussed some questions. And as you can see, Claudio has excellent idea. But if you will have question for me, I am ready to grant credit for him. I will answer not yet. Why? Because we are not investors. We are not working with venture capitals. We are bank. We are risk takers. Actually, we had quite interesting discussion, but actually I need some coffee, and someone could me borrow 2 liters? No one? Oh. Okay, how about 1,000 liters? Okay. How about 1,000 liters? You're a rich man. Yeah? You can borrow me. Okay, please applause. Here we have an investor for venture capitals. Thank you. But actually, I would like to say what a lot of people in this audience is like bankers, because you are thinking like bankers. You are evaluating risk. You are thinking about debt, about my reputation, about other things. And let's look through banker's eyes. And actually, we are discussing, when we starting to discuss with startup about possibility to cooperate, always we are asking balance sheet, P&L, but in parallel, we are asking a lot of information about, first of all, about your company. We have to understand which added value you are creating, which kind of suppliers you will have, which kind of buyers you will get. Also, we are asking about short, long-term strategies. We are asking about credit history. It is crucial information for us, credit history, because it is creating for us trust. As you know, no one credit is without risk. And for us, it's very important. If everything is okay with first questions, with strategy, with added value, final question is related with history, credit history. If we check next point, it is related with owner of the company. Reputation of owner company is very important for us. And especially we are asking also about your team, your personal experience, and we would like to understand your skills, experience, knowledge about new processes, about new activity which you are ready to develop. And credit history, owners credit history is crucial, important as well for us. Because if you has clear and credit history and they are ready to continue with your business. Leverage of the business, sales, profitability, liquidity, these general questions which are important for us as well. And usually I can mention your figures, ratios, and about, for example, leverage level, and usually it is from 40 to 50%, it's acceptable for a bank, and etc. But always it's better to discuss these things with your banker, because some sectors has, for example, equity level 20%, some sector has 50%, and there are some difference, and that's the main reason why you have to start to discuss with your banker and to prepare your activity to further development. So we have touched today a lot of things. Quickly we have touched, but we have touched general things. And I would like to invite you to our vitamins bar to discuss about your ideas, about your company, about your development longer, deeper, and because because for us and for you, it's very important to understand that if we are creating our relation in the very beginning, it is creating value for both parties. So, actually for strong business, you need to keep safe and healthy body. And welcome to our vitamins bar. And let's talk about startups, because when we are talking about startups, we mean business. When we are talking when we mean business, when we are talking about business, we mean grow. So let's grow together.